Welcome to Hispania Sol and select Marbella property. Real estate in southern Spain, Costa del Sol. As a foreigner, buying a property in Spain can seem like a complicated process, but with the right guidance, it can be a smooth and exciting experience. In this video, we'll take you through the entire process, from understanding the Spanish real estate market to completing the purchase. Step 1. Know the Spanish real estate market. Before purchasing a property in Spain, it's important to know the real estate market. Where are the properties located? What are the current prices? Are there any specific areas where you want to buy? To find the right property in Spain, it's important to work with a reputable real estate agency. An experienced agency can help you navigate the local market, identify properties that meet your needs, and provide valuable insights into the purchasing process. Step 2. Determine your budget. The next step in buying a house in Spain is to determine your budget. It's important to have a clear idea of how much you can afford to spend on a property, including any additional fees and taxes. Factors to consider include your income, existing debts, and other financial obligations. Step 3. Find a real estate agent. Once you have a budget in mind, the next step is to find a reputable real estate agent. A good agent can help you navigate the local market, identify properties that meet your needs, and negotiate on your behalf. It's important to choose an agent who is licensed and has a good reputation in the industry. Step 4. Search for your dream property. With your budget and real estate agent in place, it's time to start looking for your dream property. This is where your real estate agency can be a valuable resource. They can help you identify properties that meet your criteria, schedule viewings, and provide guidance throughout the process. Be sure to communicate your preferences and budget clearly so that the agency can narrow down the search and show you properties that meet your needs. By using a reputable real estate agency, you can save time and ensure that you find your dream property. Step 5. Obtain NIE. As a foreigner, you will need a NIE, Número de Identificación de Extranjero, to buy property in Spain. This is a tax identification number that is used for all official transactions in Spain. Your real estate agency can assist you in obtaining your NIE, and many agencies have their own lawyers who can help with the process. You will need to provide some personal information and documents to obtain your NIE. It's important to start this process early on in the buying process. Step 6. Negotiate the price. Once you've found a property you're interested in, the next step is to negotiate the price. Your real estate agent can help you with this process and may be able to help you get a better deal. Be sure to consider any repairs or renovations that may be needed when negotiating the price. Step 7. Sign the reservation contract and pay the deposit. Once you and the seller agree on the price, you'll sign a reservation contract and pay a deposit. The deposit is usually 10% of the purchase price. Step 8. Hire a surveyor. It's important to hire a surveyor to inspect the property and ensure that everything is in good condition. This will help you avoid any surprises after the purchase is complete. Step 9. Obtain financing if needed. If you need financing to buy the property, now is the time to obtain it. Your lawyer or real estate agent can help you find a reputable lender and obtain the necessary financing. In general, foreign buyers can obtain up to 70% of the purchase price through a Spanish bank. Keep in mind that the process may take longer than in your home country, and you'll need to provide all the necessary documentation to the bank. Step 10. Sign the deed of sale. Once all the necessary documentation and financing are in place, it's time to sign the deed of sale. This is typically done in the presence of a notary public. Be sure to carefully review the document and ask any questions you may have before signing. Step 11. Pay the taxes and fees. After signing the deed of sale, you'll need to pay the necessary taxes and fees, including stamp duty, lawyer and notary fees, and registration fees. In Andalusia region, the total fees and taxes can range from 10% to 13% of the purchase price, depending on the value of the property and the complexity of the transaction. Step 12. Be prepared for the length of the process. The process of buying a property in Spain as a foreigner can take several months, so it's important to be prepared for a longer timeline than you may be used to in your home country. On average, the process can take anywhere from 2 to 3 months, depending on the complexity. For any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. If you found this video helpful and informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we upload new videos and content about real estate in Spain, which can be helpful whether you're buying or selling a property. Additionally, subscribing to our channel is free and easy. Simply click the subscribe button below this video. Thank you.